NTPC Limited has announced an increase in generation capacity at its Dadri thermal power station, following approval from the Central Electricity Authority. The company informed stock exchanges that Unit 5 and Unit 6 of the plant have been uprated from 490 megawatts each to 500 megawatts each, effective April 7, 2026. BPCL has informed stock exchanges that it will comply with directions to pay 1 crore rupees environmental compensation following an order from the National Green Tribunal. Central Pollution Control Board had earlier directed BPCL to pay the compensation for not installing vapor recovery systems at its storage locations within the prescribed timeline of March 2024. NHPC Limited has announced that the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved a major investment for the Kamla Hydroelectric Project in Arunachal Pradesh. The CCEA has cleared an investment of 26,069.50 crore rupees for the construction of the 1,720 megawatt Kamla Hydroelectric Project located in the Kamle, Kradadi and Kurumkume districts of Arunachal Pradesh. India's steel sector has taken another step toward decarbonization as SAIL Bokaro Steel Plant begins a hydrogen injection project in its blast furnace. The initiative follows the signing of an agreement with Forbes Marshall Private Limited and aligns with the country's broader push for sustainable industrial growth. BEML Limited has launched a long-reach excavator integrated with a dredge pump at its Kolar Goldfields complex, marking a major step towards strengthening India's dredging and desilting capabilities. In a strategic move to strengthen India's power equipment capabilities and expand its global competitiveness, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited (BHEL) has announced the signing of a technology collaboration agreement (TCA) with E2S Company Limited, Republic of Korea. Container Corporation of India Limited has announced a record-breaking annual throughput of 5.58 million TEUs for FY 2025-26 provisional, marking the highest performance in the company's history. In an important leadership update for India's oil and gas sector, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited has officially appointed Sanjay Khanna as its chairman and managing director with effect from April 9, 2026. Engineers India Limited has informed stock exchanges that it has submitted the mandatory compliance certificate under Regulation 74(5) of SEBI, Depositories and Participants Regulations 2018 for the quarter ended 31st March 2026. Punjab National Bank has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Employees Provident Fund Organization to extend specialized salary package benefits to EPFO employees.